Ever wondered what's the secret behind those deliciously packed canned seafood products stacked in your pantry? You're not alone. These tins, full of ocean's bounty, are a staple in many kitchens around the world. Their convenience and versatility make them a go-to choice for quick and nutritious meals. Think about it for a moment. How many times have you reached for that can of tuna for a hearty salad or a comforting pasta dish? Or perhaps you've rustled up a mouth-watering salmon spread on a lazy Sunday afternoon. And who can forget the humble sardine, a perfect addition to your breakfast toast or a flavoursome pizza topping? These familiar items are more than just food in a can. They represent a world of flavours, textures and culinary possibilities. So let's take a moment to appreciate these unsung heroes of our pantry. Today we will delve into the world of canned seafood, exploring 3 popular products you might find in your pantry or supermarket. First on our list is a classic, canned tuna, a staple in many households worldwide. This versatile fish has been tinned and enjoyed for decades, its popularity undiminished by time. But what makes canned tuna such a beloved choice? Well, aside from its convenience and long shelf life, canned tuna is a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and a host of vitamins and minerals, this humble can of fish is a hidden treasure of health benefits. It's a heart-healthy choice, known to help reduce cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. Plus, it's low in fat and calories, making it a popular choice for those watching their waistlines. Moving on to the culinary aspect, canned tuna's versatility in the kitchen is truly impressive. From the traditional tuna sandwich or salad to pasta dishes, casseroles, and even gourmet creations, the possibilities are virtually endless. Whether you're whipping up a quick lunch, preparing an appetizer for a dinner party, or concocting a creative meal, canned tuna has got you covered. Now let's talk about the different varieties available on the market. The most common types are oil-packed, water-packed, and brine-packed tuna. Oil-packed tuna is rich and flavorful, retaining more of the tuna's natural taste. Water-packed tuna, on the other hand, is more about the pure, unadulterated flavor of the fish itself, and is often a healthier option with less added fat. Then we have brine-packed tuna, which is preserved in a salty solution for a more robust flavor profile. Each type has its own unique taste and texture, and the choice ultimately depends on your personal preference and the recipe you're planning to use. So whether you're a fan of the rich, oily variety, prefer the lighter, water-packed option, or fancy the salty punch of brine-packed tuna, there's a can out there just waiting to be opened and enjoyed. So the next time you reach for that can of tuna, remember its versatility and the nutritional punch it packs. Moving on, our second popular canned seafood product is none other than canned salmon. A pantry staple. Canned salmon is both a versatile and nutritious choice. It's rather like having a personal fishmonger tucked away in your cupboard, ready to add a punch of flavor and health to your meals at a moment's notice. Canned salmon is a nutritional powerhouse, packed to the brim with a wealth of health benefits. One of the most significant advantages is its rich omega-3 fatty acid content. These essential fatty acids, often hard to come by in our daily diets, are known for their heart health benefits and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of omega-3 rich foods like canned salmon can contribute to overall health and well-being. Now, you might have noticed that canned salmon comes in a couple of different varieties, pink and red. While both are an excellent source of protein and omega-3, there are subtle differences between the two. Red salmon, also known as sockeye salmon, has a stronger flavor and a deep, vibrant color. On the other hand, pink salmon is milder, making it a versatile addition to a variety of dishes. Speaking of dishes, canned salmon is a real chameleon in the kitchen. It can be used in a multitude of ways, from salads and pastas to sandwiches and even sushi. It's a quick and easy way to add a burst of flavor and a boost of nutrition to your meals. Whether you're whipping up a classic salmon salad, a comforting salmon pasta, or a salmon sushi roll, canned salmon is a convenient and healthy choice. In a world where we're often pressed for time, canned salmon is a godsend. It's a quick, easy, and nutritious option that can be used in a myriad of ways. It's the kind of ingredient that you can always rely on to deliver on taste, nutrition, and convenience. Canned salmon, a powerhouse of nutrients, is indeed a great addition to your pantry. Last but not least, let's talk about sardines, a small fish with big possibilities. These petite sea dwellers, packed neatly into cans, are a veritable powerhouse of nutrition and versatility. Sardines, unlike their bigger counterparts, are soft-boned fish. This means you can consume them whole, bones and all, which is a huge plus point. Their bones are a significant source of calcium, which is essential for bone health. But that's not all. These little fish are also packed with protein. A single can of sardines can provide around 20 grams of protein, making it a great post-workout snack or a quick protein boost on a busy day. In terms of nutritional content, sardines are a true marvel. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. They also boast an impressive lineup of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, B12, and iron. Now let's talk about the versatility of canned sardines. These fish can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and sandwiches to pasta and even pizza. They can be eaten straight out of the can or jazzed up with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. The possibilities are endless, and the ease of preparation makes them a go-to choice for quick and healthy meals. Affordability is another key point when it comes to canned sardines. They are often less expensive than other canned seafood, making them a cost-effective choice for budget-conscious consumers. But don't let the price fool you. Even at a lower cost, sardines deliver a punch in terms of flavor and nutrition. In conclusion, sardines may be small, but they certainly don't lack in benefits or possibilities. High in protein, versatile in the kitchen, and easy on the wallet, it's no wonder they've earned their place in pantries around the globe. Sardines, small in size, but big in benefits, truly deserve their spot among the popular canned seafood products. So we've discovered 3 popular canned seafood products: tuna, salmon, and sardines. Let's take a moment to cast our nets back and reel in the key points about each of these delightful oceanic offerings. First, we delved into the world of canned tuna. Tuna, a staple in many households, is not only rich in protein, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's the perfect ingredient for a quick sandwich or salad, adding a robust flavor and nutritional punch. From albacore to yellowfin, the varieties of canned tuna are as diverse as the deep blue from which they hail. Next on our maritime journey, we surfaced with canned salmon. This pink-hued beauty is a treasure trove of omega-3 fatty acids known to support heart health. We learned that canned salmon, bones and all, is an excellent source of calcium. And let's not forget, it makes a delicious salmon cake or can add a splash of luxury to a simple pasta dish. Our final catch of the day was the humble sardine. These small, oily fish are an absolute powerhouse of nutrition. High in protein, rich in vitamins, and brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, sardines are a true testament to the phrase, "good things come in small packages." Whether enjoyed straight from the can, atop a slice of warm, crusty bread, or stirred into a zesty tomato sauce, sardines are a versatile and budget-friendly addition to any pantry. But these 3 are just the tip of the iceberg, or should we say the peak of the wave. The shared benefits of canned seafood go beyond these 3 examples. They offer convenience for those busy days when time is but a fleeting shadow. With their long shelf life, they're perfect to have on hand for unexpected culinary adventures. And let's not forget their incredible nutritional value, offering a bounty of vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. So, if you haven't already, why not dive into the world of canned seafood? Try out tuna, salmon, and sardines and see how they can transform your meals. Experiment with new recipes, create your own culinary masterpieces, or simply enjoy them in their pure, unadulterated form. Remember, the world of canned seafood is vast and full of variety, so don't hesitate to explore. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave us a comment about your favorite canned seafood product. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.